Hi, boys and girls. This week we're doing more of counting to 100 so that we can really have this in our head so that we can find pages in our books and get started on place value and addition and subtraction. So on the first line, we're starting at 53. So what number comes next? 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. And I have a guest here, Miss Allie.
Hi.
And she's going to do 74.
Okay, guys. What comes after 74? Right. It's 75. This is hard. Okay. What if you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? What comes after 5? 6. Yep, so it's 76. Now, obviously, 77, 78, 79, 80.
Good job.
I'll give you a minute to catch up with that.
Okay, so because we've had so much practice with this, what I want you to do is press pause and try the next 4 rows on your own. Then when you're finished, you're going to press play and you're going to check it with me to make sure that you have the right answers. So go ahead and push pause, and when you're finished, push play. Okay, did you do it? Now I'm going to change my color because I want you to double check with mine. And if you made any mistakes, it's okay. Just go ahead and erase it. So you should have 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. And on the next row, starting with 91, you should have 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, and 97. So if you have those done, give yourself 2 checks. And we'll move on to the next one is 19. And then Allie's going to do this row. She's going to give you the answers. Oops. Well.
Okay, 19, 20, 21, 22,
22.
23, 24, 25.
Good.
Give you another check if you did not.
Okay, and then on the last row, we go 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. And a check if you got it. Okay. Now let's look over on the back side. We're going to do the same thing. So we start with the first one.
It just looks different.
Yep. 82, 83, 84. So I think after 4 comes 5. So 85, 86, 87.
88.
Good. So we want you to try the rest of them on your own. So the same thing. Go ahead and push pause, and then when you're finished, push play. Okay, so did you do it? Give yourself a check for the first one. So this one starts 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Okay, Allie, do you want to do the next one?
Yeah. Oh, my almost dropped. Give you a check on that one. Now 87, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. No, it's not working. 32, 30, 33. Give yourself another check. Now 56, 57, 58, 59. 59. Erase. No, no. There you go.
It's okay. We can erase sometimes.
Okay. What's this one?
Okay.
59. I keep doing 6.
So just go like this. 59, 60.
61, 62. 62.
And give yourself a
Give
check.
yourself a check.
Okay, we have 3 more rows. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Give yourself a check. After 89 is 90, 91, 92, 93. And then on the last one, check on that one. And then on the last row, you have 99, so we're going to go to 100. And then remember, we write 101 with a 10 and a 1. And 102 is a 10 and a 2. All right. So you can turn this in and then do what your teacher would have you do next.